on our page. It's been a while, but I'm so bad at suds. Yeah, I don't know the question. There's always a song in my head. Oh, it's upside down. Thank you. Hi, Nicolette. Hi, Andy. Hi, Pisces. Are you feeling better? Oh. Only if you say Nicolette. I gotta lean it over. I mean, lean it over. Oh, Lord. Y'all forgive me. I have to leave it outside to see if it will slime. So, we'll see. Yep, same, just a cough. It's because I can't say colly collie. Same. And then when they change their profile pic, completely lost. Is it gonna stay? That's good. Snowman, it is. Hey, Ajax. How you doing? I know. Trying to be Christmassy. Checking in. Hi, cat. pink. Hey Ash. Thank y'all for being here. Every time I see a lot of people live, I'm like, talk myself into not going live. Thank you. All soapy. Yes, it's been a while. I've been sick. You did. Hey, Mama. Thank you, Starlet. Night, night, gang. Night, night. Let me stop. Behave. I look like I got blood on my hand. Thank you. I think I have one more pour. Thank you, Coochie. I'm good. How are you? Hey, Sam. Is it? So should I put the last little bit or no? Because I feel like the bag is like smushed. She's like, girl, you done did it. Oh well. Dang. Oh, I don't. I'm just playing. I do care. Oh, shit. Right. Hi, Luna. Hola, El Maestro, ¿no? Así, ¿no? You're my Spanish teacher, right? Sí. It does. It smells good. Let me get around the edges. You think? Good. I'm glad. The sink is just like convenient, I guess. is trying to get all the juice out of the sponges. It probably does affect it, but a lot of things affect it too. Like some people put cooking oil down it, the drains, instead of throwing it in their backyard. But then you're messing up the environment, so I don't know. It just depends on how you look at it, I guess. Everything we do leaves some kind of footprint. Breathing, cooking, irritating. No problem. Love the way you do it. Song's in my head. Not gonna lie, it's looking good. Did it smack like that? Right, pink. Hi, Mommy. Hi, Netherlands. All right, Britt. Last call for alcohol. Look good? Yeah, it has to stay out in the cold. So I'm gonna leave it on my front porch. I was trying to get the aroma to break up a little bit. And the scent beads to not be at the bottom. So maybe Thursday. I'll bring it back inside and see. Oh, there it goes. Hi, honey. This, I would put in my laundry. Not gonna lie. I got some stuff you can clean with. If you live in South Carolina. Or if you want to pay for shipping. I'll ship it. Oh, well, I'm working tomorrow. I can't check on it tomorrow. Well, maybe I might check it on in the afternoon. I have to be real quick. Don't start coughing. tells myself don't start coughing. Okay.